To use the circle to search in Google Pixel 10 Pro, first let's open settings on our device. Next step is to move down to display and touch, move down again to the navigation mode. Here select circle to search, make sure that it's active like I have right here. Now finally we can access it. Click and hold the circle button. Here's a circle to search. Now to use it, there's multiple different features. First of all, you can perform image search. So if you have anything opened in the background on your phone, you can just tap on it and then Google will perform Google image search. So you can identify some items. For example, and next feature is to just select any text on the screen, then it will automatically select. You can copy it, translate it, and it will also be searched with Google. Next thing that you can do is just access Google search right here. You can even voice type if you like. You can click on this, but in this case it's not supported, but it should detect music. Then there's the translator, and you can translate any page from one language to another. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.